G'day folks, this is my Minolta EP4000. It's a conventional analog photocopier. That is to say, it doesn't use a laser or digital imaging system of any kind. Can't be used as a printer, it's just a dedicated black and white photocopier. Roughly 40 pages a minute based on its model designation. Fitted with a standard 10-bin sorter. No staple or hole punch features. Reversing automatic document feeder. That is to say, it can turn the page over and scan the other side automatically. Double-sided copying. Obviously fitted with a duplexer. Bulk paper cabinet, which is obviously empty. A3, A4. Manual bypass for your transparencies and other odd sizes. Yeah, still warming up. The optics, automatic zoom adjustment, these old copiers operate on the basis that the original image is reflected down through the optics onto the drum, whereas a laser copier will basically draw the image on the drum using a laser, and there's no mechanical link between the optics and the scanner and the drum unit in the bottom. But this is the old school copier. Basically, as the illumination lamp comes across, the reflection of the image comes down off the mirrors, back through through the lens, where it's inverted down onto the drum, where it blacks out or discharges surface area of the drum where the pages remain white, and leaves an electrostatic charge where toner is to be deposited. This is down in here. They all use the same principle of electrostatic charge transferring powdered toner. For those of you who are completely unfamiliar with copiers, there is no wet ink or anything like that in these. It's all done by means of high voltage discharge. This corona wire is charged with a few thousand volts and is responsible for pulling the toner off the imaging drum that's in there down onto the paper as the paper passes across here. It's called transfer charge. The drum charges up here. That energizes the surface of the drum. Whatever light comes through the optics erases the charge on the surface of the drum, leaving a positive electrostatic image on it. And as the positive image passes the toner transfer area, toner particles are attracted to it, rotated down, and then zapped down onto the page by the transfer wire. The fusing unit. Again, digital analog copiers all use the same principle. High temperature Teflon coated rollers melt the toner onto the paper. This will auto-detect your paper sizes. Little sensors down in here. Although that light coming out of them is invisible to the naked eye, I can actually see this on the camera. It seems to be flickering. Never seen that before. I'd say it'd be infrared. and it bounces that light back off to the lens up the top and determines the dimensions of the page that's been placed on it. This is a basic test page. I'll use this A4 brochure. There we go, it's detected A4. Density and quality of image can be adjusted accordingly, but this is coming out acceptable. Just as a speed test, try 10. And it's roughly 40 pages a minute. I noticed it hesitated there as a roller misfed or slipped on the paper. Unlike some machines which would automatically throw up an alarm, this one retried the feed and succeeded. This document feeder hasn't been run for a while, so I'm not sure what the rollers are like. Let's see. Original copy is double-sided. Finishing, there's no sorting. Automatic paper detection. Scanning side A. Now let's turn the document over. Scan side B, ejected. And there it is. Copy. Still works. It's not bad for an old machine like this. I don't know how many shots it's done so far. 648,997. So it's sort of a high miler, but I haven't had any problems with it. There you go, that's Minolta reliability.